Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. So, for years guys, we've been talking about CNC and laser projects. How to make them, how to program our machines, how to set things up, calibrate, do's, don'ts, all the major problems that I've had. I know I make it look quite often like I don't know what I'm doing with my CNC machine and my laser. Sorry guys, a bit of it is clickbait. I want you guys to click on my videos and watch them. Apparently it hasn't gone as well as I thought because I haven't gotten monetized yet. But, you know, so be it. I still have fun making the videos. And there will be more CNC and laser videos coming out. But it's not the only thing that I do. I also do shows and I do sell all the products that I make. And I make a lot more things than what you guys see me do on YouTube. So, this playlist that I'm creating today is going to be about the farmers market. Every Saturday I'm going to be doing a farmers market in the small town that I live in, and I'm going to get on here each week and talk about some of the best sellers, what's going well, what hasn't been, and try and share with you some of the selling tips that I have so that when you're making all this stuff that we talk about here on YouTube, you have a way to get rid of some of it, because we all know that eventually your significant other, your family, will stop letting you bring things into their houses because, you know, everyone gets sick and tired of you bringing in 400 CNC'd wall art pieces for them. It's going to happen eventually, guys. People only need so many sets of coasters. That's why we sell them. Trust me. All right, guys. So if you have questions about products that I make, products that I sell, questions about anything for the farmers market, go ahead and leave them here in this first video or in the following videos if you have any questions. All right, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys later.